Chris Jackson with the rebound. John Best is there. Geronimo!
Ayan ang Shell. Pinakikita nila.
Madali si Gabby Queen. Donald Williams, ang layo nito. Whoa! PLDT long distance shot by Donald Williams. Hinahabol ni Team McClary. Nakakita ng malitap. One si Big Pablo. And Pablo scores his 12th point here as Mobiline tries to come back. Big Pablo has time and again doused cold water. Esplana, no problem.
Ayan ang I told people that this is the key player for Shell.
Back here at the Cuneta Astrodome, mga kaibigan, para sa pag-umpisa nating fourth quarter, game 1 ng championship between Formula Shell and Mobiline. Yun, ubos lakas na nilaya po ng Team McClary. Medyo malaki-laki itong hinahabol lang ngayon, 15 puntos.
Pero marami pang oras.
Oo.
In the start of our fourth quarter, the two imports of Shell have come back to the ball game together with Jackson, Esplana at saka si Victor Pablo.
Sabi nga natin, malaking bagay yung pahingang yun. John Best, however, got into a crowded situation. Jerry Esplana trying to shake off Al Solis. Wala. Nakuha ni Gabby Queen ang rebound para sa Mobiline.
Si Glenn Capasio bumalik na rin. Pero si Al Solis bumalik na naman. Pero hindi pumasok ngayon ang 3-point.
Ayun si Gabby Queen for the offensive rebound. Fall-away jumper by Glenn Capasio. Hindi pa rin pumasok. Team McClary trying to protect the basketball. Now foul galing sa likod.
Jerry Esplana.
Yes, Jerry Esplana picking up his second personal foul. Kung hindi pa niyo inabot, mga kaibigan, nung ating first game, the fight for third, best of 3. Nagwagi po sa unang laro ang Pure Foods over San Miguel Beer, 94-88. Team McClary off the glass.
Wala nangyayari dito. Ayaw nila dumating ang double team ng Shell. Kaya inuumpisa nila si McClary from the outside. And then he brings Jackson into the basket. And Jackson has not been able to react. That was a
Good tap. Gabby Queen is all alone. Yes!
Yan na ang lamang. Alam mo na yung Shell, may sakit talaga ng ano yan. Yung tinatawag na overconfidence. Pag malaki lamang.
Batala, pinatatawag ni Coach Perry Ronquillo si Jerry Esplana ng timeout to sort of break the momentum of Mobiline. 11 na lang ang abante ng Formula Shell, down from 22. Just a 20-second timeout by Coach Perry Ronquillo. Tignan natin kung mapapakinggan natin ang mga paalala ni Coach Perry.
Anything to the post. They keep on denying on the post. Okay, swing it. Okay, swing it. We ice Donald. Okay, they're the go-to guys. Now, if you see them being doubled, keep on cutting. Now, what's the double? Okay, double natin, tandaan natin. Okay, we go from we. Come on, let's go. Isolated 25.
Oy, may mga kaibigan tayo lang galing sa Osamis. Ito po yung mga pastor ng Seventh-day Adventist Church. All 64 of them from Osamis City. Mayo kayo nakasurong mo din sa atong mga dula sa PBA. Mayong gabi kaninyong tanan. Sino kaya pinagdadasal ng Dr. J?
Ay, hindi natin alam, pero
malaking tulong yan.
alam mo, siyempre. Alam mo naman ang Diyos, tinutulungan ka niya sa dasal. Siyempre, tutulungan mo rin ang sarili mo.
Dapat. Kailangan kumayod ka rin. Samantala, mga kaibigan, 11 puntos na lang, natapyas na ang kalamangan ng Shell. Ito si Vic Pablo galing sa labas. Big basket there by Vic Pablo.
And that was a big timeout. That 20-second timeout certainly helped them regain their composure and their focus on the ball game.
Tama yun. Alalahanin po ninyo, umabot ko nga sa 22 itong kalamangan ng Formula Shell dito sa second half. Pero napapis na sa 11 kanina.
Jackson, may foul na naman yung pangilan na yun.
Una pa lamang yan ni Chris Jackson.
Kaya magdo-double team na sila dyan.
Ano naman si Gabby Queen.
Naku, sumobra pa sa out.
Masyado nagmadali si Gabby Queen. Donald Williams, ang layo nito. Whoa! PLDT long distance shot by Donald Williams. That's a fifth.
Kanina pa nagpapahinga ito si Donald Williams. Nung buong third quarter, nagpapahinga ito.
Tama, nung third quarter, actually, he only had one free throw. Sasagot si Team McClary, not quite.
Not a good shot. I mean,
sinabi kanina ni Coach Perry Ronquillo na si Donald Williams is one of the go-to guys ng Formula Shell. So sabi ni Donald Williams, okay, go-to guy pala ako. Etong inyo.
Partner, that was about a 27 foot.
Layo eh. Oo.
That was no mean 3-point shot.
Matindi yun. 88-72 is the count. Again, the Formula Shell trying to bury Mobiline in game number 1. Al Solis running out of space.
But only 3 seconds left on the shot clock para sa Shell to complete their play.
3 segundo nga lang po nalalabi sa shot clock ng Formula Shell. Let's see what they can do with this. 9 minutes and 19 seconds ang natitira pong oras dito sa ating Game 1. We are in the 4th period. Donald Williams puts it up.
Ayun,
Ayun na naman yung offensive rebounding. Oh.
Lapasan naman ang bola yan.
Fresh 24-second shot clock para sa Formula Shell. Sinesenyas si Jerry Esplana ang play number 1. John Best hindi may pasa sa loob. Best ngayon gumagalaw lamang kay Silas Mills. Ayan si Vic Pablo. Hinahabol ni Team McLary. Nakakita na muli. Tapwang si Vic Pablo. And Pablo scores his 12th point of the game. Sabi ni Coach Eric Altamirano, enough is enough. He calls a timeout.
Republitan, the official energy drink of the PBA. Republitan gets you going.
We're back here to the side of this fierce battle for game number 1 between Formula Shell and Mobiline. Gabi Kuibagsak. Pero napulit ni Silas Mills. Inside to McLary underneath. At ay baba ang kalamangan bahagya to 16 points para sa Formula Shell.
Partner, both teams, when they called their timeouts, they were able to score. No? So mabuti naman yung paggagamit nila ng timeout nila. Nagiging positive.
Ito pumupwesto si John Best against Silas Mills. Busy going to be mga fans ng Mobiline and defense. Vic Pablo has been hurting them here as Mobiline tries to come back. Vic Pablo has time and again doused cold water on their run.
6 big points in this run here by the Shell team to get back an 18-point lead. Ayun, na-outside tuloy. Medyo nakapura sila, Silas Mills. Parang mababa yung intensity dito ng mga imports ng especially Mills. Si McLaren has been trying. You've got to give him that. No?
Kay Silas Mills, hot and cold din, no?
Oo. Hot and cold. Maganda yung hot and cold.
Maliligo ka.
Pwede sa akin. Ayun, dalawa pa
Jerry Esplana.
Pagod na rin si Al Solis. Wala ka na rin magagawa. He's been working off the double team. He's been shooting. Pagod na rin siya. No?
Yes.
Yun, may nakita ng double dribbling ability nito. Muntik na yun.
Ito si Glenn Capasio against Vic Pablo. Gets momentarily open. Di kaya. Then Chris Jackson with the rebound. John Best is there. Geronimo!
Ayan ang Shell. Pinakikita nila.
Talaga naman. Yan ang sinasabi natin. All pumped up.
Yan ang talagang super unleaded.
Yan. Full tank na full tank ang dating.
Parang ako. Parating full tank.
Oo, dapat.
Parating ubus. Yan ang foul ni Jackson reaching in downstairs.
Chris Jackson will pick up his second personal foul. 7:02 remaining in the ball game. Atong mga kasangkayan nila, Region 8, Leyte and Samar, labi na nila Tacloban, maupay na kami yung katanan. Kumusta ka mo katanan? Inyo po mga kaibigan dito sa Vintage Panel, Ed Pixon at si Andy Howe. Hinahatid po sa inyong Game 1 ng Championship Series. Kanina pa po naghahabol itong Mobiline pero hindi makausap na gusto. Ito, natutuwa naman sa laro ang ating Vice Chairman si Mr. Ricky Velez sa bandang kanan at si Mr. Rene Concordia ng San Pablo. Bisita po ni Mr. Velez.
San Pablo Laguna.
San Pablo Laguna.
Ayun ang kasama natin si Noli Ayala. No?
Yan, San Pablo City.
Oo. Pupunta rin kami dyan. Pupunta rin kami.
Oo, dapat. Kailan tayo?
Papakainin tayo ni Noli.
Oo, walang problema yan kay
Fiesta.
96-75. 21 ang hinahabol ng Mobiline pero nasa Formula Shell po ang bola. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Esplana, no problem.
I told people that this is the key player for Shell. I mean, if he plays, he really give Tony Boy Espinosa a lot of problems. Because he's so experienced, he's big also.
That's right. He has the advantage in height and street smarts.
Malakas si Jerry. Gagawin niya malakas ang katawan ni Jerry. So, and he knows how to post up as well as shoot from the outside.
Yun ang versatility naman ni Jerry Esplana. 23 puntos na po ang abante ng Formula Shell, the biggest lead in the game. And Mobiline is...
That's family. You cannot half step and jump.
Medyo nagigigil ng Mobiline. They can feel this game slipping away.
That's right. Desperation na yung mga moves nila to the basket.
Oo, at itong Formula Shell, talaga naman makikita mo.
Tuloy-tuloy.
Oo,
Walang
take no
bitaw.
prisoners.
Oo.
Ito, maganda na namang kawalan ni Jerry Espana, pero nandun si Gabby Quay. Merong foul na tinawag sa referee Ernie De Leon. Third personal on Tony Boy Espinosa. Nangangalahati na po tayo dito sa fourth quarter, and so far Mobiline has not made much of a headway. As a matter of fact, lumaki pa nga, lumobo pa itong kalamangan, and Formula Shell threatening to even pad it in this particular play. Esplana versus Espinosa.
Yan ang sinasabi ko sa kanya. Eli, pwede ka niyang try back. Pwede ka niyang jump shot because you just shoot right in your face.
Ayan si Jennifer Pingree,
Yan ang asawa
ni Jerry Esplana, beauty queen niya.
Oo.
Kaibigan ko tatay
Kasama
niya.
natin.
Oh, kanina si Ina, beauty queen niya. Tingnan naman.
Ganda pa yung kanyang ring. Ano?
Oh, maganda ba? Mas maganda yung kamay. Oo. 5 minutes and 23 seconds pa rin. Hindi na wala yung trend of thought ko tuloy. Donald Williams, malayo na naman, oh. Hindi pumasok that time.
But look at Shell. They already have 100 points in this ball game with still 5 minutes and 11 seconds. That's going to be a violation on the part of Jackson. Kick ball.
Samantala si Jose Francisco ibabalik ni Coach Eric Altamirano. Coach Altamirano has done almost everything here, but before that, we'd like to show you our face of the day, brought to us by Chowking, Maureen Eliasar. We see some of the prettiest faces at Chowking and here at the PBA.
Yes, some of the friendliest people also there. Ayan naman, nagagawa yung dalawa.
Nilabas si Tony Boy Espinosa, Jose Francisco, nakatapak lang yun, tumapak sa pula. Ito naman, outlet pass to John Best against Gabby Quay.
Hindi pumasok. Yung magandang bola. Still a 21-point lead, but 4 minutes and 42 seconds left.
Dito naman si Team
Galita!
McLaren. Silence Wells getting away. Ito si Team McLaren, mukhang tumutukod na, Dr. J.
Medyo napagod na rin.
Mukhang hinahapo na eh.
Pag ito pumasok sa mga 3 minutes, 2.5 minutes, 20 pa rin ang lamang ni Shell. Baka alisin na rin ni Coach Altamirano yung mga import.
Para kayo, no? Tapik ni Silence Wells, and will stay with Formula Shell. Samantala, gustong pagpahingahin ni Coach Perry Ronquillo naman ang kanyang mga bataan with 4:19 to go. 181. Yan po ang score. 4 minutes and 19 seconds remaining in the ball game. 19 puntos sa kalamangan ng Formula Shell. Missed by Williams. Tignan natin kung meron pang mailalabas itong Mobiline phone pals to try and at least whittle down that lead. Ito sa Team McLaren, nakawala, pinabayaan na lang.
The lead is down to 17. Under 4 minutes left. So, pwede pa.
Pwede pa yan. Mathematically, pwede talaga yan. Tignan natin kung meron pang apoy sa loob ng mga players ng Mobiline to try and reverse the situation in this late stage. But John Best says, open my dead body.
Some other time, siguro sabi niya, that's the 102nd point now. Mills is still in the backcourt tying his shoelaces.
Tony Boy Espinosa moving against Nick Pablo. Ano, pinadala sa atin dito yung ating kaibigan si Fidel Mangonon. Sa siyam na pagkatalo ng Mobiline so far in this conference prior to the finals, ang average ng pagkatalo nila was just about 4 points.
Under 4 points.
Oo. Yung pinaka-worst nilang defeat this conference was 104 to 94 to Alaska noong pang October 27 ito. And this season, last July 5, at the end of the Commissioner's Cup at 110 to 73.
Malaki yun sa Pure Foods naman yan.
Shell's
27 points.
Shell's biggest win this conference and this season was 94-62 versus Alaska last August 30 in the Centennial Cup elimination round.
Malaki naman yun. 32 points naman yun. So talagang very explosive at Shell. Ang problema lang nila yung consistency nila. To be explosive at times and then to be grabbed.
Pag ang opensa nila na nasa high gear, Dr. J, mahirap sugpuin ito eh. Samantala, Jerry Esplana.
Ganda na naman si Jackson. Rebounding kick out.
Yung offensive rebounding ng Formula Shell, tinurog ng Mobiline dito eh.
It's monstrous, you would say. Donald
Williams against Francisco. Pinilit ni Williams. Silas Mills finally getting a rebound para sa Mobiline phone pals. At iiling-iling pa ito si Silas Mills. Lead pass to T. McLary. Gabby Quinn goes up without the basketball. Siya nga pala mga kaibigan, ito po ang ating guard matchup. Papakita natin dahil kanina pinag-match natin ito si John Best at si Silas Mills. Ayan. Sa puntos talaga angat-angat si John Best.
28-19, he usually gets that. No?
Oo.
Yung puntos niya nakukuha niya. No? Si Silas Mills naman can be big sometimes and can be small. Ayun, pumasok pa yung tira ni Gabby Quinn. Tuwan-tuwa siya dahil medyo long pero bumalik. Still a 17-point lead with only 2 minutes and 43 seconds left. We're approaching yung tinatawag natin yung zone na medyo malapit na matapos ang laro.
Tingnan natin kung meron pang minor miracle na magagawa itong Mobiline phone pals. 16-point lead para sa Formula Shell. Jerry Esplana. Had a shoulder fake against Tony Boy Espinosa. Vic Pablo picks it up. Medyo mahina ang Silas Mills. Ooh, nakuha ni John Best. That tells the story for you. Para sa Mobiline sa larong ito. Ito, tingnan natin. Meron pang mabubulot itong Mobiline. 3-point shot by Mills. Ayaw din. So, yan ang kasabihan sa Tagalog. Where will you put? Saan ka lalagay? And nasa last 2 minutes na tayo, brought to you by Hope, the largest selling luxury cigarette.
Diniin pa ni Pablo with that shot off the glass to cap off a very, very bright evening for Shell and for Victor Pablo.
Ang dami mga nag-contribute dito, Dr. J, para sa Formula Shell. Halos lahat na ipasok ni Coach Perry.
Kukunti lang naman sila eh. Wawalo lang sila ginamit dito.
Si Jun Marsan, sideline.
Injured, pero si Castillo nagamit rin niya. Maganda rin naman ang linaro ngayon. No? Offensively, he also played well today.
Coach Eric Altamirano could only bow his head in concession sa ginagawa ngayon ng Formula Shell. Talaga namang walang humpay ito, walang tingin, walang lahat ito. Para mang dikit pa laban sa pagkuha ng rebound ni Chris Jackson eh.
Yan sila ni Pablo. Actually, nag-aagawa ng Hockeyplex King of the World siya. Dalawang yan.
Well, hindi lang naman silang dalawa ang buong loob na parang Hardyflex. Itong buong team ng Formula Shell talaga namang nagpakita rito.
Lalo na itong taon ng umpisa.
Ito nag-umpisa talaga, Donald Williams.
Marami na nagtapos. No?
Tumulong along the way. Chris Jackson gives up the foul against Silas Mills. Siya nga pala, ito na naman ang isa pang ipapakita natin mga kaibigan na adong sa inyo ng Dutch boy in the paint authority.
Yes, the offensive rebounding ng Shell, second chance points. Pero medyo nakabawi rin ang Mobiline dito sa second half.
Mabul-habol, Yeah.
Paalala rin natin sa ating mga kaibigan yung mga players. Alam ko, bukas may
Sporting Scorpions. Actually, ano yan 3 parties in 1. Birthday celebration ng ating mga Scorpion brothers at send-off para sa ating PBA Centennial Squad. Despedida nga yan. At parang mga Christmas party. Bukas na po yan ating mga PBA players sa Tony Romas sa Makati. Kita Kids.
Kita Kids.
Hindi mo kilala. Yun ang sinasabi ko sa dulo. Di ba? See you around.
Kids tayo, ha? Alisin na yung mga import dito. Inalis na pala yung import ng Shell.
Yan na, pumasok na si Jolly Escobar. Medyo matagal-tagal din na layoff ito because of an injury.
Si Mills finally being replaced here. First game pa lamang ito. Pero magandang in-establish ng Shell na laro dito. No?
Yes.
Kung gano'n na ilalaro nila, medyo mahihirapan talaga ang Mobiline. Pero alam naman natin, very resilient rin yung team na yan. Saka, they've got to be able to get McLary and Mills focus.
Well, napanood natin itong Mobiline this entire conference. And, well, for people who have been following the PBA, alam nyo that in this case, not to take away credit from Formula Shell, but we caught Mobiline on an off night. Dahil i-concede natin na talagang super naman ang nilalaro ng Formula Shell. Pero
there's no question.
Hindi dapat ganito kalaki ang diferensya, di ba?
That's right.
medyo off talaga itong
They
Mobile.
rode the big momentum of their fourth quarter rally against San Miguel and they carried it to this ball game.
Oo.
Si Williams continued his shooting from that quarter to the
Tama.
second quarter.
Oo, kanina, mainit na mainit yan eh. Jolly Escobar.
Siguro naman sabi ni Johnny, matagal na akong kilala, Gabi, bago ka pala. Kilala na ako nung araw pa.
Oo.
Yun lang nga
Kasama
nagkaroon
pa
ng-
ito doon sa Shell Champion Team noong 1992. Silang dalawa ni Benji Paras. Samantala mga kaibigan, dyan po nagtatapos ang game number 1 ng ating championship series, best of 7. So malayo pa po ito pero Formula Shell has taken a big step towards that crown. Of course, we expect Mobiline to come back and talk about this and be able to come up with some solutions or some answers to a lot of questions. Ito si Silas Mills, mukhang may nirereklamo na naman eh.
Galit na galit siya kay referee Benji Chua dahil binigyan pa siya ng technical. Hinahabol niya, kinausap niya si referee De Leon na inaawat naman siya. At inawat rin siya ng mga kanilang coaching staff na
sila
led by
Frankie Lim,
Altamirano and Frankie Lim. Tapos na ang laro, talo tayo eh. Ano ba hidadagdag mo eh? Laki-laki ng lamang, di naman 1 point, 2 points yan. Di ba?
Well, maaaring tapos na po ang laro pero hindi pa tayo tapos dito. Meron pa tayong mga i-announce ng mga mahahalagang mga awards para sa inyo. Samantala, let's take a break and we'll be right back. Alright mga kaibigan, yan po ang kinalabasan ng ating Game 1 ng Best of 7 Championship Series between Shell and Mobiline. Big convincing win here by Formula Shell in Game 1. 20-point win, ladies and gentlemen, and Dr. J.
Well, ang nangyari dyan, you see the score, 110 points. Meaning nangyari, naging offensive game, which is suitable to the style of the Formula Shell team. Mobiline's got to play better defense, like the way teams like San Miguel and Pure Foods plays against them, para naman medyo ilimita nila yung scoring. Too much outside shooting kay Williams in the first half. Tapos yung mga binira na mga yun, yung mga dikit-dikit na inside game ng mga local players ng Shell.
Tapos mga second chance points pa ng Shell. Ano, na
Offensive
matindi.
rebounding, very well in this ball game.
Well, nabanggit natin mga kaibigan na napakarami pong tumulong para sa Formula Shell as far as the lineup was concerned. Pero napili po ng panel ang ating Vast 69 best player of the game. Walang iba kundi si Vic Pablo ng Formula Shell.
Well, Big Pablo had big numbers here. 16.6 rebounds, 1 assist. But a lot of these points came when Mobiline threatened. He came in with 6 straight big points. Malaking-malaki yun. That really doused the fire and took away the fight from the Mobiline phone pals there in the fourth quarter.
Okay mga kaibigan, ito pa isang inaabangan ninyo ang ating Hardiflex Building Boards. King of the Boards. Buong-buo loob mga kaibigan. Walang iba kundi si Chris Jackson ng Formula Shell. At ito talagang all game through, Dr. J, talagang nagkukumahog ito.
Tignan mo naman ito. 13 rebounds, 9 defensive, 4 offensive. You know, that's for an import. Sometimes
parang
imports
import
can get
yan,
that,
oo.
you know. And that's real big for Chris Jackson. And nakakasakit yan sa cost ng Mobiline ngayong gabi.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, bagamat napakalaking panalo po ito ng Formula Shell at nasabi nga natin, they deserved to win in this game. They had the fire in their bellies. They had big hearts tonight at talagang binuhos nila ang kanilang lakas dito sa larong ito. But we expect Mobiline to come back.
And that's only one game. In other words,
Oo.
best of 7 ito. First to win 4. That's only one game. You've got to put that behind you. I think they've got to make some studies on what to do yung sa mga motion saka movement ng Shell pag nagdo-double team sila. And they better hope that hindi naman kumonekta yung daming 3-point shot na tinira ng Shell nung first 2 quarters saka at the start of the third.
Well, mga kaibigan, if you know what's good for you, abangan po ninyo ang labanan naman doon sa darating na Biyernes sa Araneta Coliseum naman tayo sa Cubao, Quezon City. Ito pa isang magandang laban. Itong labanan ng San Miguel Beer at Pure Foods para sa third place. Alalahanin po ninyo, nagwagi kanina ang Pure Foods over San Miguel Beer in their first outing. Best of 3 yan. Ito naman ang second game ng ating Best of 7 Championship Series, Mobiline versus Shell doon sa Araneta Coliseum.
That's right. Let's see what adjustments Mobiline will make. At the same time, kung fan ka ng Pure Foods, baka maklinch na nila yun. Kung fan ka naman ng San Miguel, baka makabalik pa sila. And for Shell, if they take a 2-0 lead, alam nila medyo commanding yan. Baski na paano, medyo malaki na advantage nun yan.
Abangan po natin mga kaibigan ang serie ito that promises to be really exciting. Samantala, sa ngalan po ng lahat sa amin dito sa Vintage Sports, sa ngalan ni Dr. J, sa ngalan ni Ina Raimundo.
Uy,
Bango.
Ano naman?
Bango.
Tumawag si Mare, ha?
Okay lang, showbiz lang naman. Mga kalusot paminsan-minsan.
Yeah, okay.
Anyway, mga kaibigan, ako po si Ed Picson mula rito sa Cuneta Asdom. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. See you around.